Introducing one of the world's most lightweight, compact, handy and powerful magnetic drilling machine from BDS Maschinen. The MAB 100 lightweight magnetic core drilling machine in the Profi Start category. Most lightweight. Very handy. Highly powerful. Up to 30mm diameter core drilling with annular cutters. Up to 55mm cutting depth with robust and powerful German-made motor. Best for horizontal and overhead drilling too. Perform chain drilling with ease. Simply better drilling. New 1050 watt motor. Advanced internal lubrication. 9.9 kilogram weight only. Equipped with safe switches. Integrated cooling tank. Robust single-speed gearbox. And 70mm stroke. The lightweight MAB 100 magnetic core drilling machine. Made in Germany by BDS Maschinen.